start at the back of the engine. This is the lower bolt for the rear mount. Let's take that out. 18mm socket. Just going to go ahead and take this one out all the way, and then we'll worry about the other two. Now I'm going to take a pole jack. Of course, if you're on the ground, you can use a floor jack. And I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on the corner of this transmission pan just to support the weight of the engine. Right about there is perfect. If you follow the engine mount bracket up, you'll see that that is another bolt right there that we have to remove. Also an 18mm. There it is. And opposite from the bolt that we just took out, there's another one. So if you just follow the bracket, you'll see it. This one, there isn't much room, so I'm going to break it free with a wrench and then remove it with the wrench. There we go. Once it's broken free, I'm going to switch to a ratcheting wrench. There it is. Now I'm going to bring the pole jack down, and I just wanted to see how far the engine wants to go down. Not far at all. It still has 3 other mounts. So I'm actually going to just take this out now. That way it's out of my way and I can get better access to the through bolt that we have to remove in order for that mount to be free. All right, there it is, 18mm socket. Use a pry bar, a hammer, try to push this up. I also want to remove these 3 15mm nuts here. They hold down the bracket that the engine mount bolts to. Let's get the new engine mount in. this through bolt in, and just attach it with a few threads. That way this can be held in place here. Might as well start this mounting bolt here. Okay, let's get these back on. Snug these three up. Let's raise the engine up again, just a little bit, just like that. This mount can still move around, that's perfect. Let's tighten it all up. Since I'm here, I'm just gonna start with this bolt. That one's bottomed out, I'll come back and snug it in a minute. Let's do the other two. That's snug as well. All right, now that all three of these are snug, I'm gonna grab my longer ratchet and fully tighten these. I definitely cannot get a torque wrench in here, so whatever the torque might be, I can't torque it. So I'm just gonna make sure they're nice and tight. All right, those are all nice and tight now. So let's tighten up that through bolt. Nice and tight. Remove the engine support.